Chocolate is a versatile ingredient with different forms and flavors. Today I'm going to show you this extravagant and lush chocolate shake sundae. Now this stands as a dessert on its own with all this chocolatey goodness. I can't wait to share this recipe with you, so let's get started and check out the recipe. If you like this recipe, like, share and subscribe to Home Cooking channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. To the saucepan, add half cup of fresh cream. Make sure you keep the flame on complete low till you make the ganache. You don't want to burn the cream. To this I'm adding 200 grams of semi-sweet dark chocolate. So you need to wait till the chocolate completely melts. Maintain the flame at a low. So I'm using a whisk to mix so it will all mix nice and even, so there won't be any lumps. So I think all the chocolate is melted beautifully. Turn off the stove and keep it aside. Now I'm going to make the chocolate milkshake. For this, take 1 cup of full fat milk. To this I'm going to pour a little bit of the prepared chocolate ganache. I'm cutting a few pieces of the chocolate brownie. They're very soft and very nice, perfect for making desserts. You can see they're so soft and so spongy and so tasty. Now I'm going to assemble the chocolate shake sundae. So take a nice tall glass. I'm adding a few pieces of chocolate brownie. Next I'm going to add the chocolate ganache. You can also add the chocolate syrup. So next I'm going to add the chopped nuts. So I've taken some cashew nuts, almonds and walnuts. Just add a few pieces of Oreo biscuits. So this being a very nice chocolate shake sundae, I'm adding a lot of chocolate in this. This is definitely a chocolate lover's delight. Now I'm going to add the chocolate milkshake. Now I'm going to add a scoop of vanilla ice cream. You can also add chocolate ice cream. The ice cream is of your preference. Next I'm going to layer it with a few more brownie pieces. Now pour the chocolate ganache. This is definitely a very rich and very dense dessert. Definitely a very filling dessert. It has a lot of layers to it and a lot of texture as well. Top it with a few more nuts. Top it off with another scoop of ice cream. You can also have a combination of ice cream flavors like 1 scoop of chocolate and 1 scoop of vanilla. It's up to you. So finally, I'm going to finish off with some chocolate wafers. So there you go. Here is this absolutely decadent and delicious chocolate shake sundae. So there you go. Here is this absolutely gorgeous and luxurious chocolate extravaganza. Now this is a chocolate lover's delight. I'm sure everybody will love this dessert, especially kids, and it makes for a wonderful dessert during summer. So do try this recipe and enjoy. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on 21 frames.